Hi, I'd like to demonstrate the calibration procedure for HP9010. First, prepare 3 solutions: pH 7.00 buffer solution, pH 4.01 buffer solution, and pH 10.01 buffer solution. First, rinse the pH electrode in distilled water. Make sure you rinse thoroughly, agitate the electrode. Dab dry and dip into pH 7, the first offset point, pH 7 solution. After you rinse thoroughly, press and hold the cal button until 7.0 appear. The display will show a pH buffer solution at the temperature which is shown here. pH buffers has its own temperature coefficient. At different pH, different temperature, it will show you a different pH reading. In this case, at 22 degrees, pH 7 buffer shows at 7.00. You just have to wait for the reading to stabilize. Once it's stabilized, it will ask you for the next following calibration buffer, which is either pH 4 or pH 10. Next, rinse the electrode in distilled water. Rinse thoroughly. Dab dry and rinse into pH 4 solution. Now you can see that the reading is 4.00 at 22.1 degree. You look at the pH buffer table in the operations manual. At 20 to 25 degrees, the pH 4 solution will read between 4.00 and 4.01. And right now, the reading is 4.00 instead of 4.01. So do remember what the meter is calibrating is the buffer solution according to the temperature reading. So again, the meter will establish a stabilized reading. Then you ask you for the rest of the calibration buffer. Again, rinse the electrode thoroughly in distilled water. Dab dry. Then put into pH 10 solution. Now you can see that the reading is 10.03 at 21.8 degrees. Again, we look at the manual. So 22 to 25 degree, you can see the pH 10 reading is 10.06 to 10.01. And our reading is about 22 degrees, which is between these two readings, which is around 10.03 or 10.04, around the region. Let's get back here. And now you can see that the displayed reading at 21.7 is 10.04. So do remember that displayed reading will go according to the temperature. And sometimes it is in between, so it will give you slightly different reading. A point. Once it's stabilized, you will beep. Again, you will ask you for the rest of the buffer solution. Now only left two other buffer solutions. So with that, we complete our calibration with 3 points. Very important, press the enter button and all the 3 buffers calibration points will be stored into the meter. We can press the read button one more time to check the reading once again. Now we go into pH 7 solution just to confirm that we have calibrated correctly. And do remember, the accuracy of this meter is plus and minus 0.01 for the meter, and for the electrode it could be more depending on the accuracy or whether it's a new or old electrode. This is the repeat reading, and it's confirmed that calibration is correct. Calibration completed. Thank you.